So you're gonna need the positive wire right here, the negative wire right here, the battery, and the D4, the D10, yellow and red. So basically, you're gonna do is connect the B4 and so I'll talk about it a little bit. The B4 is the battery. It's sorry there. Technically the energy supply. And it will supply energy to our D10/light, which we have right here. The D10 has two sides, a yellow side and a red side. The red side is a side where it produces red light. The yellow side is the side where it, if you put positive on it, it'll put on yellow, and if you put positive on red, it'll do red. Now, let's go to our cables. This is the positive one I was talking about. So, we're going to expand this for the circuit. No, we can put it close up for the circuit, but you can expand it as long as the... So, it's basically the pathway between the positive side to the energy source. It leads to the energy source. Then it goes through, and the negative takes it back. So, even if we connect that, it'll make it red, but I don't want to make it yellow. It's still not lighting up. The reason for that is because we need negative. Obviously, I'm going to unplug these. Negative makes it brings down to there, so we're going to have a full skit if we connect negative. And when we connect that, watch the light. I'm gonna turn the light. It's on, but it's red. See? Okay, that's the end of our video. Like and subscribe to Apron9995.